everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my spring mix salad with carrot orange dressing. And the dressing is salt, oil, and sugar free. And yes, this is going to be a big salad, but it will actually be my lunch. As you can see, this is going to be a full meal, and yes it is. Alright, we had a tub of spring mix, and this is about a third of it. And yes, it looks like a whole lot of greens, and it is. But if you look on that nutrition facts panel on the back of your spring mix, that's the whole tub had all of 25 calories in there. So there's not even 10 calories in this huge bowl. So if you're watching your weight, this is the type of thing to eat. Now I have some chopped cilantro that I'm going to throw on this. That is optional. I'm not dictating here any sort of measurements because this is really totally to your personal preference, and the amounts are to your personal preference. So make it your way. This is some chopped up red cabbage raw. Throw that on there. And now I have some diced carrot. That's all of 2 baby carrots chopped up, and a little bit of celery to go in there with it. Then I have some cucumber, a little bit of diced bell pepper, and 1 scallion that I've sliced up. We're going to add that on there. And then I have some little tiny cherry tomatoes that I actually grew in my hydroponics setup. And for some protein, I have some garbanzo beans and green peas here. And I'm going to give this just a little bit of a toss here with my hands, just so we can still see some of the things that are in there, some of the greens there. Now I'm going to top this with some fruit. My husband got me started on the fruit when he went to Hawaii, and he discovered they put fruit on their salads. I have 1 clementine orange here that I have sectioned, and a little bit of fresh blueberries as well. You could call this an anti-inflammatory salad by the time we get done with all these goodies on there. I also have some homemade sauerkraut, and I do throw, you can see a little bit of the juice in there. After all, that has all those good probiotics in there, and I want those in my meal. And then last but not least, I have a couple pinches here of some homegrown broccoli sprouts. If you have never grown those, I've got a video out on how to grow them, and I'll put a link below. And I have an avocado here. I'm going to slice this up and put a couple slices on there. Alright, I've got about 1/4 of the avocado cut up on there. Sometimes I put more, sometimes I don't. And now I have about 3 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of my carrot orange dressing that I'm just going to put on the side there for now. I'm not quite ready to eat this. And I have the recipe for this carrot orange dressing below. A printable version of both of these is on my blog, and I also have a video below on how to make this dressing. I just didn't want to tie you up with that as well in this. Anyway, here is my lunch. It looks like massive salad, and in a way it is, but it's not a lot of calories compared to how large it is, and it's very filling and satisfying to me. If you want a meal salad that's very health promoting, give this a try sometime. Again, the recipe is below and a printable version on my blog. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.